students, today we are going to discuss about the neutralization reaction. We have discussed different type of reactions in our previous videos, and in this video we will discuss about another important type of reaction that is called as neutralization reaction. You all know that neutralization reaction is going to take place between an acid and a base. An acid and a base, when both of these are going to react with each other, then they form salt and water. This is called as neutralization reaction because an acid and base neutralizes its effect, है ना. acid base दोनों का effect जो है वो neutral हो जाता है because they gets completely ionized in the solution. Let us see. Acid and base, when these react together, then they form salt and water. Suppose we are going to take an acid, that is HCl, which is a strong acid, and a base which is NaOH. It is a strong base. When both of these are going to react, then they form NaCl plus water. This is a strong acid and this is a strong base. The salt which is formed is neutral in nature. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हुआ क्या? If we write this equation in ionized form, then what will happen? This is H plus and Cl minus ion. This is Na plus and OH minus ion. Next, this is Na plus and Cl minus ion. Here H plus and OH minus ion. Clear? This is the water molecule. This is the ionized form of the reaction. Acid and base both of gets completely ionized in the solution. That's why the salt which is formed is neutral in nature. This hydrogen will bind with this OH ion and this Cl minus ion will bind with this Na plus ion, and the salt NaCl and water is formed. Clear? So this is the neutralization reaction in which an acid and base reacts together to form a salt. When acid and base both are strong, then the salts are formed neutral because they neutralizes their effect. This is strong acid, this is strong acid, and this is strong base. It is a strong base. The salt which is formed is a neutral salt. Here, this is a neutral salt. If acid is strong and base is weak, then what will happen? This is a strong acid and NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. This is a weak base. Here, it is strong acid and it is a weak base. Then what will happen? Which type of salts are formed? Here the salt which is formed is NH4Cl. It is ammonium chloride and again water will form. The salt which is formed here is acidic in nature because the strong acid is going to take part. This strong acid, the strong acid is going to completely ionized in the solution, but weak base does not. ठीक है, यहाँ पर क्या होगा? आपने एसिड बेस चैप्टर जो हमने पढ़ा था, वहां पर हमने अरिनियस कंसेप्ट ऑफ एसिड एंड बेस देखा था. वहां पर आपने देखा था जो अपने एक्वस सॉल्यूशन में कंप्लीटली आयोनाइज हो जाता है, दैट इज द एसिड, और जो कंप्लीटली आयोनाइज हो जाए वही क्या है, हमारे पास बेस भी है. लेकिन जो कंप्लीटली आयोनाइज नहीं होता, दैट इज द वीक बेस. जो कंप्लीटली आयोनाइज होकर H प्लस आयन देता हो वो एसिड, और जो कंप्लीटली आयनाइज होकर OH माइनस आयन देता है वो बेस। यहां पर एसिड तो कंप्लीटली आयनाइज हो जाएगा, बट दिस इज अ वीक बेस and weak base does not completely ionize in the solution. That's why the salt which is formed is acidic in nature. Now what will happen when the acid is weak and base is strong? Clear? Weak acid, example of weak acid is CH3COOH. It is acetic acid and it is a weak acid. Clear? When it reacts with a strong base, that is NaOH, it is a strong base. When a weak acid reacts with a strong base, then what will happen? The salt which is formed is CH3COONA. It is sodium acetate and water molecule will remove out. The salt formed is basic in nature. Why it is basic in nature? Because the base which is NaOH, a strong base, it gets completely ionized in its aqueous solution and give OH minus ion. But the weak acid does not completely get ionized in the aqueous solution and it does not give the H plus ion completely. That's why it is a weak base. And when both of these gets reacted with each other, then the basic salts are formed. Clear? जब हमारे पास एसिड एंड बेस दोनों स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो सॉल्ट्स न्यूट्रल फॉर्म हो रहे हैं। जब एसिड आपके पास स्ट्रॉन्ग है और बेस वीक है तो सॉल्ट फॉर्म हो रहे हैं एसिडिक नेचर के। और जब हमारे पास एसिड वीक है और स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस है तो हमारे पास जो सॉल्ट फॉर्म हो रहे हैं that is basic in nature. And if both of these are weak, then always neutral salts are formed. ठीक है, दोनों स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो भी न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट्स फॉर्म होंगे, दोनों वीक है तो भी न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट्स फॉर्म होंगे। ठीक है, क्योंकि हमारे पास कंप्लीट आयोनाइजेशन की प्रोसेस होगी दोनों यदि स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो, और जब दोनों वीक है तो दोनों में कंप्लीट आयोनाइजेशन नहीं होगा, इसलिए फिर से हमारे पास न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट्स बनेंगे। और यदि ये वाली कंडीशन हमारे पास आएगी तो हमारे पास यदि वीक बेस है तो एसिडिक सॉल्ट बनेंगे और यदि हमारे पास वीक एसिड है तो बेसिक सॉल्ट्स बनेंगे। दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन एंड दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन। इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ catalyst and what is catalyst we have to discuss in that video. Thank you very much.